Thanks to Fluke Australia, I have had the opportunity to work with the Fluke 773. The Fluke 773 Milliamp Process Clamp Meter has proved to be an exceptional addition to my toolkit. The ability to source both a 4 to 20 milliamp or a 0 to 10 volt control signal have proven invaluable, particularly in controlling VSDs and actuators. If you're seeking a tool to aid you in your controls and instrumentation work in the field, I implore you to check out the Fluke 773 Milliamp Process Clamp Meter.